Welcome back to RC Rally, guys. Leo here, and I had to show you these two awesome gems that I picked up while I was traveling across the country to visit family. Now, I've wanted these two models ever since I got my first rally car, which was the Traxxas ST, and these two were on top of my list, and I got them for a pretty smoking deal, so I had to pick them up. Here are a couple short runs with them, so check them out because they are awesome cars. These cars are phenomenal, and I'm so glad I was able to pick them up for a good deal. Like I said, ever since I got into the rally scene with my first Traxxas Rally ST and modded that, I cannot wait to take these out for a bash, dirt track, jumps, you name it. I cannot wait to make some videos on those. So make sure that you guys stay tuned, like, subscribe, and follow along for more future videos to come on these bad boys, because you will not want to miss it. These things are going to rip, and they look fantastic. Until then, guys, take care.